A loggerhead turtle. You get an American alligator.
This is a manatee.
It is a manatee. Well done, darling.
No, I already do. So fish.
It's called a garpike.
Garpike!
Yeah. Oh.
John, what's the one next to the manatee?
Do
Manatee.
you know what this is? What is it? Say it louder. I can't hear you.
Say it
I can't
properly.
hear you.
It's a meal.
A spoonbill.
Yeah.
It's a spoonbill. Well done. You're so clever. And this one.
I'll tell you lots of time. Spoon meal.
I know, but you said it too quietly.
Spoon meal.
Yeah, I know you said it, but I couldn't hear you because you were saying it too quietly. This is called a cottonmouth.
That's not cotton mouth. That's called the snake.
Yeah, it's a snake, but it's called a cottonmouth snake. I know.
Oh, and it says cotton mouth.
I'm sorry. What? Do you know what this bird is? Here. A what?
Just go, Mummy. A pelican.
Here's a pelican. Well done. Okay, and the mosquitoes come from there as well. Them pesky mosquitoes that do biting. And green tree frog.
Mosquito.
And a green tree frog.
Well done. And a green frog too.
Thank you. This is Middle America. And in Middle America, it says, this area is varied. It's in the Caribbean Sea.
Did you know how a monkey was brown?
You didn't know how the monkey was brown? Yeah. You know how the monkey you're
see
right.
how the monkey's brown.
You're so clever, John.
How is it brown?
Just is, I don't know. It's actually called a red howler monkey. But
Brown monkey.
I know, it's weird, isn't it? Because it's brown. Now, they've got some...
Brown howler monkey.
Do you know what this one is up here?
Jackal.
No, it's not a jackal. It's an ocelot.
Ocelot.
Yeah. These got some unusual ones here. I hadn't even heard of this before. This
The
is...
other.
No, it's a solenodon. I
Solodon.
don't know how you say it. Solodon? It says it's
Solodon.
a